At 12:36 p.m. a very large and dangerous tornado was located 27 miles north of Jackson, or 182 miles south of Motorville. This is an extremely destructive and dangerous tornado, which is almost stationary. Doppler radar confirmed 732,375,282 square meters of rotation. The tornado is rotating at 93 million miles per hour. You are in extreme danger. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building immediately. You could be killed. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Regular homes will be severely damaged. Take cover now. Take cover now. Take cover now. The tornado will destroy everything in a 392-mile radius. This is not a normal tornado. You are in extreme danger.